Welcome. In this video we will speak about the border by details. When you say this cell, you say this grid line, and this grid line is dummy. When you print this, you not find any lines about the cell. Sometimes you need to make border, but first to understand what I see, I go to view and make in the grid lines and checkbox. Yeah, this is the shape you will get if you print your work by default without border. Okay, this is the shape you will get. So he makes this for you grid line to understand where the separate cell. Okay. Now we will speak about border. We speak before, but now we will speak by details. From border, I can make bottom border. If I select this and make bottom border, he will give only border from down, and from top he will make from top, as you say, and the same for left and the same for right. Now he make what you need. If you need to make one border, you can get direct from here outside border. Okay, and take care to be appear. If I make here and make outside border, he will not put inside border for the cell, he just make outside. Okay, if I select this and I need to make no border, he will cancel the border. The other thing, he speak about the thick box border like this. He can make this, and the same bottom border but double. This for double. If I need to double, he will make double. If I select this and put bottom double, say he will make bottom double, and there is too much thing you can select here. The other thing you can make here, the style for the line, you can select it from here, and if you select this, he will give you this. And if you select all border like this and go to the line border style and select anyone, he will give you what you need and enter. Okay, you can select the line for the border as you see and enter. Escape. The other thing you can make is to select the cell and click right click from mouse and format cell, and we speak about font. Now we will speak about border. Here he give you anything you need, he give you, and this is the preview for what he will make inside like this. You can select first what you need, the shape of line type and the color of it, and after this he told you I will make inside, this outside, here none, no, I need this one and this one, and I can make this or delete as you know. Okay, you can make like this. After this you can, okay, you will get the shape like this. Okay, this everything about border, and this very important because this grid line is dummy and not coming in a print. You must put border if you need to get line between the cell. Thank you.